Good morning, namaste and namaskar, sat sri akal, salam alaikum, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the ACMA Auto Mechanica session on Indian automotive aftermarket, bringing out the full potential through upskilling. Powered by Motor India, session partners being Ari Rogers and Shriram Veritech Solutions. I'm the moderator for the day. My name is Murli. 76,000 crores, 10 billion US dollars, growing consistently at CAGR of 7%, held its own despite the COVID recession. Always profitable, that is the Indian automotive aftermarket. It is less than 3% of the global aftermarket in size and therefore offers significant export potential. This business is now going through seismic changes, be it in vehicle technology, BS3, BS4, BS6, be it in vehicle types, electric vehicles, CNG, shared cars, personal vehicles, or be it in general technology, digital, artificial intelligence, IoT, you name it. The servicing of this market is spread across over 200,000 mechanics across 4,000 small towns in 600 odd districts, and it employs over 1.4 crore people, starting from the smallest two-wheeler mechanic to the largest excavator workshop or to the tractor garages. This is the need, therefore, of upskilling, not just skilling, not reskilling, but upskilling. To discuss this topic in various aspects, we have with us a very well represented panel. First on the line is a person who's done his BSc and BTech and then worked with various OE manufacturers and now is a senior vice president, Volvo Eicher for aftermarket, Mr. Ramesh Rajagopalan.
Morning.
An engineer, MBA from XIM, has worked in London in UK, has worked in various auto component industries, and now heads the aftermarket for Schaeffler, Debashish Satpathy. A veteran who needs no introduction. An LLB ACS, has vehicle dealerships, past president of FADA, and now chairman of ASDC, Mr. Nikunj Sanghi. And the person who spent most of his time working in distribution companies, the most important channel in the value chain, be it Lucas Indian Service, or now the director of Speedway Amalgamations Group, Mr. K. Balasubramanian.
Morning.
The salesman now becomes a business head at local level, and that itself is an opportunity for youngsters to join the aftermarket. For the viewers, let us understand that 3 generations of vehicles are now plying on Indian roads, and all of them new. They vary from having just two-wheeler, three-wheeler, cars, trucks, buses, excavators. It also includes the electric vehicles and CNG vehicles. Some can see it as a challenge, but it's better to see it as an opportunity because it provides employment to a few million Indians spread across the nook and corner of this vast country. Upskilling, therefore, is a need. It also provides an opportunity for the startups in the field of education, and I just don't mean Byju's. There are 147 startups in and around Bangalore in the space of connected vehicles, analytics, electric vehicles, all filled with young engineers, and have attracted $6 billion US dollars as angel funds. That is the size of opportunity. It provides opportunity for the companies to have a regular growth. Because understand, if the vehicles are not bought, you'll run it. And to run it, you need to service it, which means the parts will be used. And if you have strong platform based not just on apps, but also on analytics, you can reach further quicker. An apple a day keeps a doctor away is an old saying. An app in hand is what is going to keep this business moving. This transformation to upskilling will not be easy. No transformation is easy. But people like me are confident that just like water becomes steam at 100 degrees centigrade, it's water, it becomes steam. Caterpillar becomes butterfly. You may have a lot of short-term hiccups, short-term pains. But if we go through it, this $10 billion market will continue to grow for the next 5 to 10 years without interruptions. And therefore, it will become, as a business, neighbors envy, businessmen's pride. Thank you very much, panelists, for your contribution. It is as diverse as it could be, and despite technical glitches, you managed to hold on to the time. Thanks to a few hundred viewers who stayed here patiently for more than an hour. I can assure you that in case there are some questions unanswered, it will be replied. So thank you all once again. Dhanyavad. Namaskar.
Thank you.